Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. As we all know that due to the COVID-19, the school has again started its online classes. Before summer vacation, we have already completed our 3 lessons. Now we will continue after that. After third lesson, there was a poem named as Books. Before starting the poem, we should know the word meaning, summary, and the exercise of the lesson. Let's start with the word meaning. As you can see that there are some hard words are written at the one side and its Hindi meaning on the other side. Let's start. The first word is library. Library, library. That means pustakale. Once again, library means pustakale. Next word is opened. Opened. Opened means khul gaya. Once again, open means khul gaya. Next word is wide, wide, wide. That means chauda. Once again, wide means chauda. Next word is tall, tall, tall. That means lamba. Once again, tall means lamba. Next word is skyny, skiny, skyny. That means patla. Once again, skyny means patla. Next word is high, high, high means ucha. Once again, high means ucha. Next word is shelves, shelves, shelf. That means almaria. Once again, shelf means almaria. Now the next word is little, little means chota. Once again, little means chota. Next word is fat, fat means mota. Once again, fat means mota. Next word is stood, stood. That means khada tha. Once again, stood means khada tha. Next word is pictures, pictures, pictures. That means chitra. Once again, pictures. That means chitra. Next word is told, told. That means bola. Once again, told means bola. Next word is stories, stories. Stories, that means kahani. Once again, stories, those means kahani. Next word is wonderful, WNDER, wonder, FUL, full, wonderful. That means आश्चर्यजनक. Now let's know the summary of the poem. The name itself mentions that it is a poem of books. Many of us like to read the books. It may be of any kind, like stories book, poetry, or comic book, anything. And where we find the books? Yes, in the library we find many kinds of books. So the poem also mentions about the books. At first we will read the poem. Books, come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books and more. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelf, little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories and what a wonderful books. It means that the people who love to read the books, they can go to the library. The library always invite the people who wants to read the book. He said, come in, come in. The library door is open for the people who want to read the books. I opened it wide and saw book and more. In the library we find many books which was arranged in the shelf. In the library we find many shelves where the lots of books are arranged. Some books may be fat, some may be thin, some may be beautiful covered. So there are lots of books. When one of the book was opened by the poet, he find that there is a lots of pictures which make the stories very clearly and make the story very clear and a wonderful book. Now let's start with the exercise. In the first exercise, write T for true or F for false. The first question is the library door asks the child to come in. That is true or false? Yes, it is true. The next question is the child saw toys and chocolates. That is false because in the library we find many books. The tall, skinny books were kept on the high shelves. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. The child sat down to draw and color. That is false because the child started to read the book. The next question is the child saw a book in which pictures told stories. The answer is true. Now the next exercise is circle the words used in the poem to describe the book. Some words are given and we have to circle the words which are mentioned in the poem. The first one is tall, the next is happy, skinny, fat, black, sad, little, wonderful. In this word the answer are tall, skinny, fat and wonderful. Now the next exercise is to complete the table. In the table, genders are given and we have to fill that with the suitable gender. First one is done for you, men, the woman. The next one is brother. The gender of brother is sister. The next is girl. The gender of girl is boy. The next is aunt. The gender of aunt is uncle. The next is king. The gender of the king is queen. The next is father. The gender of the father is mother. Now the next exercise is to match the animal pairs into the two columns. The first is drake. The pair of drake is duck. The next one is peacock. Then pair of peacock is peahen. The next is lion. The pair of lion is lioness. Now next is horse. The pair of horse is mare. The next is tiger. The pair of tiger is tigress. Okay, student, thank you for today's class. Now, this is your homework. You have to write and learn the poem, word meaning, and exercise in your copy with the beautiful writing.